Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use words, grammar, and spelling checker in case you wanna, you're done with writing your Word document and you want to check the grammar and you want to check spelling mistakes. It's really easy, really simple. Just come here, click on review, and then click on spelling and grammar. Once you type, once you click on it, you're gonna see this. It's gonna highlight every single one that has maybe a grammar issue or spelling issue. You can either click on change and it's gonna do the suggested change, or you can choose to ignore it and it's gonna move on to the next one. And you can just scroll down here, and I see here there's a spelling mistake here, right here. Instructor. It's actually instructor. It cannot be instructor. So I'm just gonna put my mouse here and I'm gonna click on it, and it's gonna automatically here. I can do change, or you can also do change all if you have multiple mistakes and you're just gonna trust Word to change it for you. You can just change it one by one or change all. And if you don't want to do it manually, it's really that simple, guys. If this video helped you, make sure you like, comment, and of course, you can subscribe.